Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code on any Android device. Alright, the first thing that you need to do here is to just go to your camera app, alright, for example right here. And then once you're in here, just go ahead and tap on the settings or gear icon at the top left. Yours might be different, just go ahead and follow the same instruction. Now you should be able to see an option here to toggle on Google Lens suggestions or toggle on scan QR code. Alright, as you can see here, I don't have that option because I do have an older model of Android device, alright, specifically Samsung device. So what I'm gonna do, because I don't have that, and as of all Android devices have an app called Google, alright, so in here in the Google app, what we're gonna do basically is just click on this camera icon right here. Alright, you're gonna want to drag this down and then use the magnifying icon and click on the particular image, and you should be able to see in a link. Alright, so you're just gonna want to click the link and your QR should work. Alright, that's basically it. So if you have the option in your phone again to just go ahead and use your camera directly and go to settings, you can just use your camera, point the camera on any QR, and it will automatically pop up a link. Alright, that is it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.